Welcome to Brown's Rod and Custom, your home for street rods, muscle cars, and Volkswagen content. This is my dad, Big Ron. He's our body man and fabricator. This is my beautiful wife, Megan, our editor-in-chief and supporter. And this is me, Adam, the designer and mechanic for our projects. If you find our videos helpful, like and subscribe for more content.
Hey guys, thanks for watching Brown's Rod and Custom. If you're watching this, please hit the subscribe button. We would really appreciate it. It would help us out a lot. Stay tuned. We got a lot more for you in this episode. Thanks for watching.
Okay guys, here's the paint for the frame for Big Red. That's Big Red. Shop line. What is this stuff? What kind of paint is it?
Acrylic enamel.
Acrylic enamel. I think he's using hardener.
Okay.
The hardener here. Shop
We
line.
just bought it from Nick.
Bought it from Nick over at Auto Body Express, and we just cleaned the frame with wax and grease remover. And show you what it looks like out here. So it's clean, it's ready. He's gonna finish up in there mixing the paint, and he'll spray this, and then we'll go from there. I just wanted to bring this to you guys. It's kind of a cool thing. It's a big moment for Ron. He's been really wanting this frame and getting it under that truck and everything, so just trying to get her done, you know, one of the 50 things we got to do. But this is literally a big one, so it'll be nice to get this off the side of the house and under the truck. That way we can tow big things, you know what I mean? And our cars, and go to the shows and all that, because we're going to trailer the 40 Ford in August to the Louisville Street Rod Nationals, and hopefully by that point the 40 Ford's painted, and but we need this to be, you know, in a good place. We need to not be worried about it breaking in half, which I don't think it would. He did a repair up under there, but, you know. Here's our thing. Sitting all sexy. We just got everything out of the way. And the good news, if you guys notice the flag, the wind's blowing that way. So any overspray will go that way towards the backyard, not the front. So that's going to save all of our stuff out here. That's the thinking anyway. So, anywho's guys. Frame for Big Red's getting painted in a minute. I'll bring it to you in a sec.
It's not spilling it all right off the cap. How much overspray I get?
Not much, you're good.
Good. So now we know what a bad regulator does to us. Looks great. Way better than it did. We were blaming the gun. I'm getting this part.
You okay?
It's gonna.
Looks really good.
Just trying to make sure I get it in the right spot. Yeah, we were just agitating that cup. Getting a little windy here.
Back side of this is flat.
Yeah, I can do.
Trying to block the wind for you.
Over here. it gets to where it starts stuck in there, so that if I get lower in the paint.
It looks really good though.
Cool.
Looks like it resembles when I poured it. Just shiny black, looking all sexy. Only this shouldn't fade.
And it honestly had a lot of protection on it.
Oh yeah. The factory stuff to begin with.